Trouble is mounting for Karnataka's sexist BJP MLC. This is at a juncture, remember, when IS officer's body has written to Siddaramaiah against a BJP MLC for a certain derogatory comments allegedly made against the Chief Secretary. Ravi Kumar has said the Chief Secretary works at night for the government, during the day for the Chief Minister. IAS Officers Association has written to the Chief Minister. They are saying these are defamatory remarks against the Chief Secretary and have written a formal letter to the Chief Minister strongly condemning the comments by BJP MLC Ravi Kumar against Chief Secretary, who's a woman, Shalini Rajneesh. The association has demanded that the MLC apologize on this comment that is made. Why would, remember, an MLC make a comment like saying that working during the day for a certain someone and working during the night, basically working at night for the government, during the day for the Chief Minister? Let's listen into what is being said.
ಚೀಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋರ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ
ಅವರು ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಡೇ ಪೂರ್ತಿ
ಸರ್
ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ರವಿಜಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
It is very unfortunate statement which has given by the council chief whip Mr. N. Ravi Kumar. He's the same time he's also a BJP leader, senior leader, and Shalini Rajneesh ji is one of the most what I can say that बहुत अच्छा काम करने वाली one of the very nice administrative officer of Karnataka. But it is very unfortunate that being a lady, she cannot run the show. It is showing that all BJP leaders' mentality. They only tell the story of Ramayana, but all the actions have been taken from by the BJP leaders that Ravanas.
Right, so this is what is being said by our ministers, by leaders as well. Nagarjun Dwarkanath joins me on the latest on this. Nagarjun, tell me how the IAS Officers Association, the groups have united against this remark, and the remark is definitely inappropriate, isn't it?
That's true. The IAS Officers Association of Karnataka has given a representation to the Chief Minister seeking a legal action. One, which is already an FIR has been done in Vidhan Soda police station. Second, a public apology by the MLC. Not just the IAS Officer Association, but the Congress as well. The Chief Whip of Congress Party, Salim Ahmed, in the upper house with the delegation has met Basavaraj Horati, the chairman of the council, asking for a suspension of the MLC of the BJP party, Mr. Ravi Kumar. And now what we are hearing is Ravi Kumar has moved High Court against the quashing of this FIR that has been lodged against him. He's also put out a statement saying that he has not used derogatory remarks. He's only said that the Chief Secretary is busy with work and hence that she doesn't have time for our petition is what he has said. He said, nowhere have I used derogatory remarks is what Ravi Kumar has said. At this point of time, he's out of Karnataka, somewhere in Hyderabad is what we are told. Most likely the hearing might come up post-lunch in the High Court asking for the quashing of the FIR.
Nagarjun will be tracking the latest on that. So, Nagarjun, also I want to understand that how did this issue even come up? Why would an MLC make a statement like that on camera, which has led to so much outrage? And we are putting out the picture of the Chief Minister, of the IAS officer as well, and how this has led to a huge showdown.
This happened when there was a protest. The BJP delegation was protesting in Vidhan Soda in front of the Gandhi statue. And when the cops tell them to vacate the statue because they don't have the prior permission, BJP MLCs and the delegation gets into an argument because the government is unwilling to listen to us. They're not listening to our petition, hence we are protesting. And that moment, Ravi Kumar makes a statement that Chief Secretary works for the government in the night and during the day she works for the Chief Minister. A derogatory statement used by the BJP MLC, and now subsequently the Congress has protested against the BJP, and now FIR has been lodged the Chief Secretary and the IAS Officers Association in Karnataka are demanding an apology without any condition in public by the MLC. However, he has firm on his stand saying that I have not made any derogatory remarks, I have not heard sentiments is what he has said, and now moved the High Court of Karnataka against the FIR.
Nagarjun, stay on with me. I want the viewer to listen in to what the BJP MLC has said and I'll return to you.
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
ಸರ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಅವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ ಅವರು ಅಣ್ಣವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್
ಅವರು ರಾತ್ರಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಡೇ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ
ಸರ್
ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ರವಿಜಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
Nagarjun, I wonder if the government or leadership from the Congress party in Karnataka have said anything on this?
We just heard the Minister of Women and Child Welfare, Lakshmi Hebbalkar, condemn it, saying that it's the mentality of the BJP leaders to always use derogatory remarks against an established women officer. She condemned it, saying that Shalini Rajneesh, who is an IAS officer, Chief Secretary of Karnataka, has been working very well for the government and for the society, and it shows what state of mind BJP leaders talk about. And she went on to say that BJP leaders read Ramayana, but the actions that they do is of Ravan, is what Minister of Child and Women Welfare here in Karnataka, Lakshmi Hebbalkar, has said. The government has condemned already the statement, and we have seen petitions from the Congress party already lodged before the chairman in Vidhan Parishad, that is the council, asking for a suspension of the MLC Ravi Kumar so that he can't enter the house in monsoon session. That's the Congress stand. The Chief Minister and the complete party has backed the Chief Secretary as well. The social activist has filed an FIR in Vidhan Soda police station. What we are told is most likely if Ravi Kumar comes back to Karnataka, he might be arrested anytime soon.
All right, Nagarjun, keep tracking the latest on that. Could there be action against such a statement that was made by an MLC?